Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Pyrex, and we're talking about the initial Pyrex nesting bowls. And they were called nesting bowls because, of course, they all sat inside of each other. So the first ones that came out were in 1945, and they were the primary colors. The largest bowl was yellow, then there was a green bowl, then there was a red bowl, then the smallest was a blue bowl. So the set was just kind of an iconic thing. I can remember my mom had those in our kitchen the whole time I was growing up. I don't know what she did with them, but she had them for years and years and years. So it was called opal glass because of the fact that when you looked at the inside of the bowl, it was a whitish color. So that's where the name came from. That kind of glass bowls were made by Pyrex until about the mid-1980s, and then they went to clear glass after that. Now, over the years, they did other color combinations, and of course, they had a lot of different patterns. So they did a lot of different nesting bowls, but the primary color ones are still very sought after. So in my neck of the woods, if you go to an antique shop, you're going to find the nesting bowls, if it's a nice set in good condition, run around $90. Now, of course, condition is everything. And of course, everyone used these, so they tend to get a little nicked up, a little scratched up over the years. But a good set will run $90. And amazingly enough, that's like double what the price was 5 to 7 years ago. It used to be you could get a set for $40, $45. So yes, Pyrex bowls, primary color nesting bowls, are still a good deal. And if you're interested in learning about other types of Pyrex that's collectible, I'm going to put a link below so that you can check that out. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.